Let me show you a knot that will really help you in emergencies because it creates friction that makes it harder to pull. You see, I cannot pull this. I can really create grip here. And this is very simple to tie once you understand it. This one is called the running hitch knot, and it's a variation of the clove hitch. If you know the clove hitch, this is the fender knot we use. I know some other people might use a different one, but I really like the clove hitch to tie fenders. It's this one, where this is the fender and this is the rest of it. And basically what you do is you do half a turn around a pole, you bring the line across, and then you put it back to itself. What does it mean back to itself? You see how I'm not entangled with anything in here? It's just I wrap the line around itself, right? I do half a turn, I bring it across, and then I continue the wrap around itself. It's only touching the last part of itself right here. Now I created the clove hitch. To make the running hitch, instead of doing half a turn and crossing straight ahead, I'm doing multiple turns in one direction, okay? And then I bring it across, and then I do it again into itself like the clove hitch. So it's basically the clove hitch where I'm starting few pulls on the right hand. Now, from what I know, when you're creating the loops in this direction, it's going to be very hard to pull to the other direction. But I've had different opinions on it, saying that it's actually like when you're creating the loop in this direction, it's going to be harder for you to pull here. But as you can see, this one does slide a little bit, but it does get tight. I think it works great in both directions. This is holding really strong. And now, if you have a line that got jammed or something like that, you can wrap a ladder line around that line and be able to pull it from a different direction. I've used it in a halyard that got stuck, in a jib sheet that got stuck. It was really useful not to know. And I also can tie a snubber like this for the anchor. Let me know what you think and follow for more tips.